Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-450 in a King Ranch trim and powered by a 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel V8, and providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with the dually configuration, giving you some increased payload capacity and extended running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in and getting at your box. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for three spaciously and comfortably with a nice full leather interior. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, and having two more in the middle here with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 110-volt power outlet. Do also have heated rear seats which can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge for added security. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. But if you're then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power telescoping and folding towing mirrors, and three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Do also have front massaging seats, so that's nice for those long trips. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. And then you can go into your gauges, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, maintenance information. Then you can go into your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, such as your driver assistance features. Then you have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm in the colder months. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera system, once again with the front view and 360. And then you do have a premium B&O audio system in this vehicle, so your music's going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen you have your media controls, and then your climate controls, once again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls, trailer brake controller, and pro trailer backup controller. And on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. And down below you have this compartment with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible, throw it on there and it'll begin to charge. And then moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the end of the stock for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand. But then just cycle back through that. Moving on to your console, your center console area, where you have two cup holders. It can be turned into 4, or if you want to just have more room for your stuff. And then you have your center lockable compartment / armrest, which has a removable tray and is very spacious inside, with another 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. And this being the King Ranch, you of course have the King Ranch symbol or logo everywhere. Nice branding, very nice leather interior. You have a power sliding rear window, and looking up you have 6 upfitter switches which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.